Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. After removing all the rotten parts and clearing the kitchen area, we realized the floor had to be completely rebuilt. When we removed the floor, we got access to the vehicle frame from the inside. Even though we hadn't planned it, we decided to give it some attention. Despite its age, the van's frame was in surprisingly good condition. We cleaned up small spots of rust and removed old peeling paint. Then apply a coat of primer. Once the primer dried, we added several layers of bitumen paint. We also cleaned the exhaust system as best we could. Then coated it with a special heat-resistant paint.
Unfortunately, it's raining today, but yeah, all the works are inside, so we don't care so much. We've painted the main frame of the vehicle and the exhaust pipe, because right now we have an access to it, and after that it will be too much hassle to... It was too much hassle anyway, because I was like laying around there and crawling and spraying and sanding and doing everything, but yeah, it was easier that way.
Finally, we were ready to assemble, glue and install the metal floor frame.
Такой тут Орео прям.
Орео?
Не похоже на Аллах. Ладно. Пусти. Так. Сюда. Now we are finally ready to install the floor. It's already almost 1 month has passed since we started to work. Mission failed. We forgot to stick additional Armaflex on in these corners and between the cabin and the living space. So no frame and no floor for today again.
Technical moment. According to our plan, there is a layer of insulation between the outer metal sheet and the inner metal structure. For the floor itself, we were using 12 mm OSB panels, which we primed and coated with multiple layers of bitumen paint beforehand. Finally, the floor installation. We screwed the aluminum frame to the van's frame and cap, applied Sikaflex, and laid the OSB panels. After finishing the floor, we continued building in a different plane, now starting to extend the metal frame for the wall.